Bombing in Gaza's Rimal commercial district turned shops into rubble. Shop owners are picking up the pieces and counting the cost. Aside having to rebuild, they have no idea how they'll make up for lost business.
When they said truce, we came to see how things were. It's disastrous. As you can see, nothing can be used again. Added to this, smoke, dust and toxic material from the explosion is clinging to the clothes. I won't sell them to people. It is not fair.
We've had big losses, all the more so because this happened during Ramadan, and we had big preparations for Eid al-Fitr like everyone else around the world. We've suffered huge economic losses.
The UN estimates that nearly 17,000 residential and commercial units were destroyed during the 11-day conflict. Reconstruction is likely to cost billions. Meanwhile, on the humanitarian front, the first shipments of food, fuel and medical supplies have arrived. Egypt has pledged just over 400 million euros. However, international support is complicated by the fact most Western governments list Gaza's Hamas government as a terrorist group. One UN official speaking while on tour of the destruction in Gaza said there was a solution to that.
There are mechanisms in place. One in particular is the Gaza Reconstruction Mechanism, which was established after 2014. It's an agreement between the Palestinian Authority, the Israelis, and the United Nations. We have mechanisms for monitoring to make sure that assistance does not fall into the hands that it's not intended to be directed towards.
The UN has allocated 15 million euros in emergency aid to Gaza, with the task of reconstruction just beginning.